If you're going to lighten up your skin, please, biko, ejo, do it with sense. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always dropping by. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please tap the subscribe button below so that you can get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to lighten your skin using lightening body lotions to avoid any side effects like green veins, dark knuckles, stretch marks. So if you want that even complexion and you want to reduce your hyperpigmentations, uneven skin tone, or address some of your specific skin concern, then this video is definitely for you, because I'll be showing you the best methods and products that will safely and effectively lighten up your skin without bleaching or damaging your skin. So let's dive right into it. So the question now is, can a body lotion lighten your skin? The answer is yes. A lightening body lotion can lighten your skin as long as it contains lightening ingredients like kojic acid, niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, licorice extract, vitamin C, or any other lightening ingredients. It can actually help to lighten and glow your skin. So these lightening ingredients, what they do mainly is to inhibit the production of melanin on your skin and promote a more healthy and even skin tone. And these are the major reasons why people actually lighten up their skin. So regardless of your reason to lighten up your skin, I'm here to show you the best way to use your lightening body lotions to lighten up your skin and avoid having dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, or any other form of discolorations on your skin. Now, how do you lighten your skin using a lightening body lotion? The first step is to always use a safe lightening lotion. When it comes to buying a lightening body lotion, don't just buy any lightening body lotion you see in your nearest cosmetic store. Look for safe and reputable brands that prioritize your skin's health, not brands that are there just to make money. Another way to know a safe skin lightening body lotion is by taking a look at the formulation or the ingredient list of that particular body lotion. Look for body lotions that contains natural and safe lightening ingredients like I mentioned earlier. And you also need to ensure that your body lotion does not contain any harsh or harmful chemicals in it, like hydroquinone, mercury, or steroids. These are chemicals that are going to damage your skin. So when you see a body lotion that promises to lighten your skin in 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, just run.
If you like, run go Mexico City.
Because immediately you buy that lotion, you're going to be having stretch marks, green veins, dark knuckles, and the rest. The truth is that there is no body lotion out there that is going to lighten your skin or give you 2 or 3 shades lighter skin tone in a space of 7 or 14 days without damaging your skin. Never. There is no body lotion like that. Any lotion that tends to do that, just know is a bleaching cream, and the after effect is going to be,
Oh my God, what is that?
so in order to safely lighten your skin with a lightening body lotion, you need to also protect your skin from the sun. Sun protection plays a vital role when it comes to skin lightening. You can't be lightening up your skin or using a lightening body lotion without using a sunscreen. This is where a lot of you get it all wrong. You can't be using a lightening body lotion and not be using a sunscreen. The truth still remains that if you want to safely lighten up your skin without any dark knuckles, green veins, side effects, then you definitely need to protect your skin away from the sun, because 90% of the damages we experience or encounter every day is based on sun exposure. So if you're using a skin lightening body lotion, you need to also protect your skin from the sun, because exposing your skin to the sun without sun protection is going to reverse the effects of your lightening body lotion and further damage your skin. So try to always buy a sunscreen when buying your lightening body lotion. So the next or third thing you need to know, if you're going to lighten your skin, you need to lighten your skin with sense. You need to use your number 6 if you want to lighten your skin. It pains me that most times when people want to lighten their skin, they end up lightening their skin. Some parts will be fair, some parts will be dark, like there will be too much discolorations, like your green veins will be showing. There is a lot of evidence that you're bleaching your skin. So that is why I said if you want to lighten your skin, please use your number 6. You should be able to do it responsibly. Do not go and pack too many lighting products in your skincare routine. You want to take time and structure your skincare routine. So before you end up going to damage your skin all in the name of skin lightening, I'm going to tell you this. If you really want to have a uniform skin when lightening your body, you want to pay attention to your skin health. You don't just want to lighten your skin or bleach your skin and damage your skin. You don't want to do that. You want to lighten your skin in a healthy manner. Now, here is how to lighten your skin and have an even skin tone from your head to your toe while using a lightening body lotion. When using a lightening body lotion to lighten your skin, you need to build your skincare routine or regimen in a way that will be able to cleanse, moisturize, exfoliate, and shield your skin away from the sun. Here is a step-by-step skincare regimen you can follow if you're using a lightening body lotion. So in other words, the first product you need is a moisturizing soap. Soaps are actually wash-off products, so they don't get to sit on your skin for a long time. Using a moisturizing soap is basically going to help cleanse your skin of any dead oils without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. And the essence of using a moisturizing soap is to also help to plump your skin and not dry it out. There are lots of moisturizing soap that you can actually get. It's not compulsory for you to use a lightening soap when you're already using a lightening body lotion. So in other words, after cleansing your skin with your soap, the next product you're going to need is an exfoliating scrub. You need to learn to exfoliate your skin at least 2 or 3 times in a week, because your lightening body lotion cannot penetrate into your skin if you're not exfoliating your skin. So the next or third product you will need in this skincare routine is a lightening body lotion. Like I said before, if you're picking a lightening body lotion, you need to ensure that it's formulated with natural skin lightening ingredients and is safe for you to use on your body. So there are lots of reputable brands with amazing lightening body lotions that I'm going to be showing you in a jiffy. So another thing you need to know or always have at the back of your mind when getting a lightening body lotion is to get a lightening body lotion that contains moisturizing ingredients. Don't get a body lotion that will just lighten up your skin. It's not going to give you that healthy, lighter skin tone. But if you get a body lotion that contains moisturizing ingredients as well as lightening ingredients, they are going to properly balance each other out. Your skin is going to be getting enough moisture while lightening. So don't just buy lightening body lotions that will just lighten your skin without moisturizing your skin. Those kind of lightening body lotions is going to make your skin look like you're aging. You're going to have lots of wrinkles and your skin is going to appear dry. So when getting a lightening body lotion, you want to ensure that it equally contains moisturizing ingredients. And that is why I most times place my clients on a 2-time body lotion. That way you can be able to lighten and balance your skin out. So the next product you're going to need in this skincare routine is a body oil. What body oil does mainly is to even out your skin tone and seal in the whole moisture into your skin while glowing your skin. So you need a blending body lotion that can be able to even out your skin tone, moisturize your skin, and seal in moisture into your skin. So whether you choose to get a lightening body oil or moisturizing oil is all up to you. As long as it moisturizes your skin, nourishes your skin, and fits your skin in a healthy way, is going to actually serve in your routine. So these are step-by-step skincare routine to follow if you're using a lightening body lotion to lighten your skin. So now the final point I'm going to be talking about before I go ahead to show you guys my recommendations is consistency. So if you want to achieve a lighter skin tone from your head to your toe, you need to understand that skin lightening is a gradual process. It doesn't work overnight. So you actually need to be patient and consistent if you want to see results. If you want to safely lighten your skin without any green veins, dark knuckles, stretch marks, you need to give it time. You need to give the product you're using time to work. Like, you can't be using a product and in the space of 2 weeks you already want to have 3 shades or 5 shades lighter skin tone. It doesn't work that way. And I'm honestly going to tell you, like, you're not going to see results in a space of 3 weeks or 2 weeks. It doesn't work. At least within a month you're going to be seeing the effect. Then in a space of 2, 3, or 6 months, you're going to properly lighten your skin. That is simply it. So one major thing that a lot of people don't usually take note of is how to use a lightening body lotion. So now, whenever you buy a lightening body lotion, you should be able to look at the usage of that product or the directions for use that is always written on the body of the product you bought. Like, there are some lightening body lotions that you need to use every day, both in the morning and night. There are body lotions that you need to use only at night, and all of this is stated on the body of the product that you got. But a lot of people end up using body lotions that are supposed to be used only at night, both in the morning and at night. And when you end up not seeing the results you want, then you come back and say, this body lotion damaged my skin, when you did not even follow the manufacturer's instruction. So try as much as possible to always check the usage of the product you got and follow the manufacturer's directions in order to achieve the best results with your lightening body lotions. Now, I'm going to be showing you some safe lightening body lotions that have shown promising and nice results on the skin. And the number one is this Fair and White body lotion. So for those of you that don't know, Fair and White body lotion have two types. Like, each of their body lotions always have two types. And one of the body lotion, some contain hydroquinone, while some doesn't have hydroquinone. So the particular one I'm recommending is the one without hydroquinone, and that is the Fair and White So White brightening body lotion. This particular body lotion is going to lighten up your skin with consistent use. Is a body lotion that is going to give you that proper glowy, healthy looking skin. Fair and White brand is a reputable brand, and they have their customer skin health in mind. So this particular body lotion is formulated with great lightening ingredients that will help to lighten and glow your skin in a healthy way. So this is a very nice body lotion and is not going to damage your skin. The next or second safe lightening body lotion I'm going to be recommending for you is this Q7 Paris Carrot body lotion. This is another effective lightening body lotion that is going to gradually and properly lighten your skin with consistent use. This is a body lotion that will give you an even skin tone from your head to your toe. It's not a body lotion that will damage your skin or maybe give you green veins, dark knuckles, stretch marks. It's a body lotion that when you use it in a proper skincare regimen, is definitely going to give you the desired results you want. So this is one of the best safe lightening body lotions that have proven to be effective and works very well. So the next or third effective lightening body lotion I'm going to be recommending is this Zaron Vitamin C body lotion. This is another effective lightening body lotion. Like, Zaron brand took out their time to actually manufacture a great product, and this body lotion is very, very, very effective. Like, it's formulated with different lightening ingredients as well as moisturizing ingredients. So this body lotion does not feel drying on the skin. It's a body lotion that will add both moisture on your skin and lighten your skin in a healthy manner. If you want your skin not to look like you're bleaching, then this is definitely a body lotion I recommend you use. It's going to get rid of your uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, and clear out your dark spots. This is an effective lightening body lotion. So the next or last brand I'll be talking about is Olay Vitamin C body lotion. See, I know a lot of you don't talk about this particular body lotion, but Olay brand is one body lotion that is good when it comes to formulating body lotions. Like, you can never go wrong using their body lotions. And this vitamin C body lotion is a hit. Like, is a hit. It's formulated with ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, and it definitely helps to brighten and gradually lighten up the skin. So if you should pair this in your skincare routine, it's definitely going to give you that beautiful, fair, glowing skin. So these are 4 effective lightening body lotions that you can use to lighten up your skin. All you need to do is to add them in your skincare regimen and watch your skin glow. The effects you're going to be getting with these body lotions is mind-blowing. Pamas is another brand that you can also take note of if you're looking for a lightening body lotion. So all these brands are brands that make safe and effective lightening body lotions that will not bleach or damage your skin. Their body lotions are both moisturizing and nourishing on the skin. So using any of this body lotion is definitely going to lighten and glow your skin. So now, another thing you need to understand is that everyone's skin is unique. So what works for me might not really work for you. I'm going to tell you this for free. If you find what works for you, kindly stick with it. Stop running from one product to another because it's not going to help you. So yeah, that is basically it on how to lighten your skin using lightening body lotion. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.